Stop scrolling. Ever bought a car gadget that looked amazing online only to regret it later? You're definitely not alone. That's exactly why we decided to test why every driver wants these 12 Amazon car gadgets right now. We ordered them from Amazon and put every single one through honest, real-world testing. Some turned out to be incredibly useful. Some were surprisingly clever. Others were a complete waste of money. The results weren't always what we expected, so keep watching to find out which gadgets truly deserve a place in your car.
"360-degree rotating car desk tray." If you're someone who spends hours on the road, the 360-degree rotating car desk tray is an absolute game changer. This ingenious gadget clips securely onto your steering wheel and gives you a stable, rotating surface for your phone, tablet, or snacks. The rotation feature means you can position your device at any angle that's comfortable for you. It's built with premium materials that won't damage your steering wheel, and the grip is incredibly secure, even on bumpy roads. Installation takes literally seconds, no tools required. I've been using this for weeks now, and it's become essential for my daily drives. Whether you're a rideshare driver or delivery person, this tray is worth every penny. It keeps your essentials within arm's reach while keeping your hands free for driving. Once you try this, you'll wonder how you ever drove without it. 2-in-1 wireless CarPlay adapter. The 2-in-1 wireless CarPlay adapter is a must-have for anyone tired of tangled charging cables. This device transforms your wired CarPlay experience into a seamless wireless connection, instantly syncing with your iPhone the moment you get in your car. What makes this gadget special is its dual functionality. It works with both Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, making it universally compatible. The connection is incredibly fast and stable, with zero lag even when navigating through cities. Installation is straightforward. Just plug it into your car's USB port and pair it with your phone. From that moment on, you're connected wirelessly every single time. The interface is intuitive, and all your favorite apps load instantly. If you're constantly plugging and unplugging your phone, this adapter will save you time and frustration. It's compatible with most car models.
Skechers steering wheel cover. Comfort meets style with the Skechers steering wheel cover, a premium accessory that transforms how your hands feel while driving. Made from high-quality microfiber leather, this cover is soft, breathable, and incredibly comfortable during long drives. The Skechers branding adds a sporty aesthetic to your car's interior, while the ergonomic design provides excellent grip in all weather conditions. Your hands won't slip even when they're sweaty or wet, which is crucial for safety. The cover is machine washable, making maintenance super easy. Just remove it and toss it in the wash whenever it needs cleaning. Installation is simple. It stretches over your steering wheel without tools. The material is thick enough to provide cushioning, but maintains steering sensitivity. I've noticed my hands experience less fatigue during longer drives. The neutral color options complement any car interior perfectly. This cover adapts well to any vehicle type. In-the-garage car shield. The in-the-garage car shield is a brilliant solution for protecting your vehicle's interior from UV rays and heat damage. This sunshade uses advanced reflective technology to significantly reduce interior temperature, keeping your car cooler during hot days. The accordion-style design deploys in seconds and stores compactly when not needed. What impressed me most is how it fits various windshield sizes without requiring complex adjustments. It's truly universal. The shade blocks approximately 85% of harmful UV rays, protecting your dashboard, seats, and other interior components from fading. The material feels durable and thick, not flimsy like cheaper alternatives. Your car stays noticeably cooler, meaning less air conditioning strain and better fuel efficiency. Installation is literally seconds. Just unfold it and place it behind your windshield. It looks sleek and professional compared to other sunshades. The reflective coating doesn't reduce visibility from inside.
FORTEM Foldable Trunk Organizer. Organization revolutionized. The FORTEM Foldable Trunk Organizer transforms your trunk from chaotic to perfectly compartmentalized. This heavy-duty organizer features multiple sections and pockets designed for different items: groceries, tools, emergency supplies, sports equipment, whatever you need. The premium fabric is washable and durable, capable of handling rough treatment without tearing. What really sets this apart is how compact it becomes when collapsed. It stores flat in a corner or under your seat when not in use. The handles make carrying it easy, and the reinforced bottom prevents items from shifting during drives. I love how it keeps my trunk clean and prevents items from rolling around, which is both safer and convenient. The dimensions work perfectly for most vehicle trunks. The zippered pockets keep smaller items secure and organized. Quality construction means this organizer will serve you for years. HD 360-degree surround view camera.
Safety and convenience combine perfectly in the HD 360-degree surround view camera system. This advanced camera setup provides complete visibility around your vehicle, displaying a bird's-eye view on your head unit so you can see potential obstacles from every angle. The 4 high-definition cameras positioned around your car work seamlessly together to create a comprehensive view, eliminating blind spots completely. Installation requires professional mounting, but the results are incredible for parking and reversing. The image quality is sharp and clear, even in low light conditions, thanks to advanced night vision technology. The system automatically activates when you shift into reverse, displaying instantly. I've tested this extensively in various parking situations, and it genuinely makes navigating tight spaces feel effortless. The waterproof construction ensures durability in all weather conditions. The technology is reliable and responds instantly without lag. This is a game changer.
AstroAI Windshield Cleaning Tool. The AstroAI Windshield Cleaning Tool makes maintaining crystal clear visibility effortless and convenient. This innovative gadget combines a squeegee, microfiber cloth, and spray handle into one compact device designed specifically for windshield cleaning. The extended handle reaches all areas of your windshield without straining, and the ergonomic grip is comfortable during extended use. The microfiber head is incredibly absorbent, preventing streaks and water spots that plague other cleaning methods. What impressed me most is the integrated spray mechanism that distributes cleaning solution evenly across your windshield. The solution container is refillable and holds enough for multiple cleaning sessions. The squeegee blade is precision engineered to remove water in solution without leaving residue. Installation is just filling the solution tank. I've used this in various weather conditions, and it consistently delivers professional-level results. Your windshield becomes crystal clear in minutes. This tool makes maintenance easy and convenient. LUCMO Backseat Organizer Tray. Parents and carpoolers, meet your new best friend, the LUCMO Backseat Organizer Tray. This genius organizer attaches to the front seat back and creates a functional workspace for passengers in the back. Multiple compartments and pockets accommodate tablets, phones, snacks, toys, and travel essentials, keeping everything organized and easily accessible. The waterproof material handles spills without worry, which is crucial when traveling with kids. The design includes a fold-down table surface, transforming the organizer into a work or eating surface during travel. The durable construction withstands frequent use and rough handling. Installation is straightforward. It simply hangs from the seat back without permanent attachment. I appreciate how it reduces clutter and keeps backseat passengers entertained. The pockets are sized perfectly for various items. Quality stitching and reinforced seams ensure longevity. The neutral color design complements any car interior beautifully. This organizer makes traveling so much more pleasant.
Kinder Fluff UV Sunshade. Protect your family with the Kinder Fluff UV Sunshade, specifically designed with child safety in mind. This sunshade features adorable designs while providing critical UV protection for passengers inside and rear windows. The premium material blocks approximately 95% of harmful UV rays, protecting delicate skin and preventing sun glare that affects visibility. The static cling attachment method requires no tools or permanent installation, and removal leaves no residue. The designs are engaging and fun, making kids happy about protection. What parents love most is the peace of mind knowing harmful rays are blocked during every drive. The material is thick and durable, lasting through multiple seasons. Installation takes seconds. Just apply to your window and adjust until positioned perfectly. The shade remains secure even during hot weather. I've tested these extensively in hot climates. For parents concerned about sun protection, this is essential. Emergency Car Escape Flashlight. The Emergency Car Escape Flashlight is an essential safety tool that every vehicle should carry. This multifunctional device combines a powerful LED flashlight with emergency features, including a seatbelt cutter and window breaker for critical situations. The bright LED illuminates dark areas instantly, helping you perform roadside maintenance, locate items, or signal for help. The seatbelt cutter feature could literally save lives in emergency situations. The hardened steel window breaker allows quick escape from a damaged vehicle if necessary. The flashlight is incredibly durable and weather-resistant, surviving rough treatment. The grip is comfortable and non-slip, maintaining control even with wet hands. The battery life is impressive, providing extended operation from a single charge. I appreciate the compact design that stores easily in your glove compartment. Every driver should have one for peace of mind. The features work flawlessly when tested.
Mabett Bronco LED Dome Lights. Transform your vehicle's interior ambiance with Mabett Bronco LED dome lights, offering stylish illumination with practical functionality. These modern LED replacements produce bright white light superior to traditional incandescent bulbs, consuming less power while lasting significantly longer. The installation is straightforward. Simply remove factory lights and pop these in without tools.
The energy efficiency reduces strain on your battery, particularly beneficial for vehicles with extensive electrical systems. The bright white light output illuminates your interior perfectly for nighttime driving and passenger comfort. The durable LED technology provides years of reliable service without bulb replacement. The modern aesthetic complements contemporary vehicle interiors beautifully. I've installed these in multiple vehicles, and the improvement over factory lighting is immediately noticeable. The quality construction ensures longevity and reliability. The brightness is sufficient for reading and navigation. These lights are affordable yet deliver premium results. Installation takes only minutes. If your dome lights feel dim, these are fantastic. iJDMTOY LED Trunk Light Strip. Complete your vehicle's transformation with the iJDMTOY LED Trunk Light Strip, adding professional-grade illumination to your trunk space. This flexible LED strip installs easily under your trunk ceiling, providing bright, even lighting that illuminates every corner of your cargo area. The adhesive backing makes installation simple. Just clean the surface, peel, and stick. The waterproof construction handles moisture and humidity without failing. The bright white LED light output is perfect for locating items, loading cargo, or performing maintenance in your trunk. The energy-efficient design draws minimal power from your battery system. The durable construction withstands temperature fluctuations and vibrations inherent in trunk environments. Installation takes just minutes without tools. The improvement to trunk visibility compared to factory lighting is genuinely impressive. The quality of materials and construction is clearly premium. The flexible design adapts to various trunk configurations. Whether you frequently access your trunk at night, this delivers professional results.
There you have it. 12 incredible car gadgets that seriously upgrade your driving experience. Each product I've reviewed today delivers genuine value, quality, and functionality that makes every journey better. From safety enhancements to organizational solutions, these Amazon finds are absolutely worth considering. If you found this video helpful, please hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss future reviews. Drop a comment below letting me know which gadget excites you most. Don't forget to check the links in the description for current pricing and availability. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Happy driving!